Hola YouTube. Today, or not today, third video of the day, woohoo! So today I'll be doing, right now, I will be doing a review of the M7 4DP carbine, mini carbine. This is available at Walmart, your local Walmart. I got a lot of stuff at Walmart. Sorry about that. Okay. Never know who's gonna be watching these, so this is a decent gun. It's good for beginners. Good for righties, not for lefties. Kind of annoying, cause when you go fully auto, you have to hold this thing down. So I've learned when you go fully automatic lefty, you just hold it with your trigger finger. And this, you just hold it with your thumb if you're a righty. There's semi-automatic, which really isn't semi-automatic. It's single shot. Pull this thing back. Shoot. And then there's automatic. Doesn't have a very nice rate of fire, but hey, it's good if you just need a gun and you need it now. It's $20. Probably already said that. This is a fake clip, which I find kind of stupid. It has this random front sight, which is kind of weird. This is a ammo loader. You load it in, then you just shake the gun, and you're ready to shoot. 175 feet per second. Good for beginners. Wouldn't recommend it used in a war. If you're gonna dual wield them, that's good. My friend actually beat me while I had my M4 dual wielding. This one I haven't dropped yet, so I'm not so sure if the plastic is very durable. It's one of those chibi guns. So yeah, not much to say about it. It's decent. Thanks for watching.